I would like to call on stage Tala Wahid for English speech.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the entirely merciful, and maybe brings upon peace Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Mr. President, respected teachers, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am on the stage to say about Kashmir. Kashmir is a big problem between Pakistan and India. Mr. President, after 1947, the people of Kashmir have been tortured, killed, and sent to the jail for the crime of right of self-determination. Nowadays, India take a curfew on Kashmirians people. After that, now I tell you about Kashmir. Kashmir is situated between the two contention between Pakistan and India. After that, the Kashmir is a dispute of contention between Pakistan and India. Pakistan consider Kashmir as its core political dispute with India. So does international community, but not India. What the audience, thanks to United Nations, because the United Nations has played a main role of maintaining peace and order of Jammu Kashmir. Dear audience, Kashmir is a big problem, and I show you we are standing with Kashmir. We are standing with Kashmir and Pak Army. Now I tell you about the role of Pak Army. Pak Army sacrificed a lot for Pakistan and Kashmir. In the last, I just pray Kashmir get freedom. Ameen.